Okay, so emmet extension path. Path to a folder containing emmet profiles and snippets. So this is essentially a path to a folder, not a file, a folder that contains a snippets.json file where you include more snippets that you want Emmet to recognize. So if you want to know how that works, you have a brief explanation of that here in this URL, and you set a particular so you write the snippets.json file and you put that file in a particular folder, and you write the path to that folder in that setting, and it will recognize these snippets. And these snippets work according to language. So these are the snippets for HTML, these are the ones for CSS, and then these are the abbreviations, and this is what they'll do.